What's up, YouTube? It's Nikki Killa and Christy. Today we're going to be doing the no burping challenge, where you have to drink soda without burping. So we're gonna right into it. It might be a little hard because if we laugh, we're gonna mess up. So.
And our guest.
Oh yes, and our special guest we have today,
Madison.
So here we go. It's real soda, by the way, obviously.
Cheater! Now you get to drink less.
What is this supposed to be fake soda? Oh god. Hold on. Okay, well, mine exploded a little bit. I've been having bad luck, so. Okay, let's go.
We're ready when you're ready.
Oh, it's gonna go over me. Alright.
You can start a timer.
I looked at her and said, Marissa, you really said that? She goes, she asked me if I had balls. I told her no. Yeah.
This is so good. I like this.
Exactly what picture it is. I know. Michelle. 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 Mommy, I don't hear you.
We're doing a video. Shut it. You old trap.
It hurts. It hurts really bad. I don't want to burp, but it hurts. Oh my god.
I didn't swallow my soda. She's drinking a lot more than I am.
It doesn't, it hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Ow.
I can't laugh at you.
It hurts so bad.
That was really brilliant.
Oh my god, it's hurting like my collarbone and everything.
My stomach is really hard.
Just do it already.
Oh my god. Nicole, we got this.
It hurts. Like my insides are smushing together.
Stop fingering my bottle.
Oh, you noticed on Facebook? I'm going to do this one day. On Facebook. They old stacked in a pile on the middle of the table. And it says first person.
Did you just burp?
No, I went. I'm breathing myself through this.
Say they're vibrating or whatever. The first person that does that
We're at 4 minutes already.
phone,
It is painful.
I wouldn't touch my phone. The point is, the first person to grab their phone.
I don't have to burp.
Yeah, I do. I'm holding it in though. If you make me laugh, it makes it worse.
I don't know if I could do it anymore. My stomach hurts really bad.
Oh god!
Oh god!
You okay? Who's choking?
Okay, I'm good now.
Are you sure? Alright, well, since they both messed up, I guess I'm done too.
You guys are burping so nasty. Chrissy, crying? Oh God.
Turn the camera, it hurts to reach and move.
Holy mother of God. Are you okay?
I'm okay, guys.
Who's choking? Mom, there you go. You're taking off.
Alright, well, we did pretty good. I drank this much.
Not even half.
It was painful. It hurts right here for some reason.